So now we're shooting individual shots. I've changed the length of lens from a 70 to 200 down to a 24 to 70. The reason for that is because we're going to be doing some full length shots. I've also changed the lighting because we've only got one subject, so we can actually add a little bit of complication into our composition with our lighting. So I now have 2 lights on the backdrop and 1 light in the foreground. The backdrop lights will add a little bit of texture and craziness to the background. Jack, our model, is very, very friendly. And he's dressed a little bit funkily. So what we're going to do is go for some quite quirky shots here. So again, very high energy. Again, the aperture hasn't changed at all because the lighting is fairly standard. What will change, and when we look at these photos later, what will change is the lighting on the backdrop. So it will look quite different to what we had before. Okay, Jack, so give it to me. Lots of interesting angled poses. Okay, as much as you can get. That's it, beautiful. Woohoo! This man's on fire! Selling those glasses! Woohoo! He's a natural poser. Yay! Yay! Love the energy. Yep, that's it. Wait, give me 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1. Yep, good. Sorry, do that one again. I love the one with the hat. That's it. And 1, 2, 3. Yep, and 1, 2, 3. Now, Jack, slow down for a sec. Jack is moving very quickly, so I have a fairly decently, oh, that's hilarious. I have a decent shutter speed on this of 1/60th. Because they're studio shots, we want them to be fairly clean and crisp. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, I missed it. And 1, 2, 3. That's it. I think I got the last one. Yeah, that's fantastic. Now, the interesting thing about this last photo I took of Jack that I really like is that I wanted to have all of the angles and him to fill the frame. When you're shooting sometimes on a wider angle, you can get an elongation of extremities, and we got just that. So it looks quite funky, and I'm quite interested in that.